Hey guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel Pro Build. So this video I'm going to teach you how to make this miniature binocular. Actually this looks so cool and it can be done in this PTC Creo 7.0, since this is very user friendly software. Everyone after seeing this video you can just try this simple binocular in this Creo software. So they have given some hint here, so you should go up with this base sketch. Actually this is the base sketch. After constructing this base sketch it would be easy for creating this complete structure. So in this view they have just given only the extrusion values. All these are the main values. So I'm going for the front plane and go to sketch. Now here you can find this is a line, so this is a reference line. So from here it is offsetted to 60. Center line is offsetted to 60. So from this y-axis I'm going to draw a line slantly and change this to 60 degree. Okay, 60. Now you can find here from center, actually they're drawing the circle for R9 and it is offsetted to 14. Actually this is linearly it is offsetted 9. So I'm going to draw a circle. So this is of 9R, so 18 in circles dia. From here I'm going to draw another circle of same radius, but instead of going aligned I'm going to make it linear. So this is 14. Okay, so from this point they are drawing another circle of dia 38 and followed by 50. So this is of 38, another circle, this is 38 and this is 50. So watch carefully. So creating this base sketch is little tricky, so watch it clearly. And this center to center is actually 45. I'm going for aligned dimension. Center to center is actually 45. Now I'm going for arc. This upper arc is R76 and this lower is R38. So go for an arc and touch this next. Change this to 76. It has now changed to R76 and go for tangent. Make this tangent. Okay, it's already in tangent, so no problem. Next I'm going to draw another arc of radius 38. So I'm going to touch here and like this. So this is 38. So R38 is ready. Now I don't want this circle, since because I've just drawn the circle only for the reference, so I'm just deleting it. So go for delete segment and draw this too. And try making this and this tangent and even this to this. That's it. All so this is my base sketch. So with this sketch I'm going for extrusion of 20 and it's at this mid. So select the sketch, go for extrude, change to symmetry since it is at mid, so change to 20 mm so that it gets offset to 20. Change this view to shading with edges. Now I'm going to draw this section. Now it's of R50, it's of 50 in circles diameter. So I'm going to take this circle reference and go for project this circle. Sorry, it is not working. I'm going for normal circle. And you can see from this mid plane it is offsetted to 76, but I've chosen this surface, and it's all for the reason I'm going to teach you now how to change the reference of a part which is very dependent. So actually this is completely 76, so I want to merge this cylinder inside this. So what I'm going to do is that check whether it has gone correctly. Okay, from this center it is 76. So just click on this part and click this chain icon. So this is edit references. So a box will be open. So it shows that this surface has been taken as a reference for drawing this extrude tool. So I'm going to change this. So I'm going to select this plane and go for this preview so that it is getting at its plane. Now change these options. Here you can find it is 6-degree taper extrusion. This is tapered extrusion, so I'm going to add taper, go for 6. Yeah, it's done. Okay, so my single side part is ready. Now I'm going for part once again, and I'm going to draw this profile now. From this center it is going to be 50. So as you know, as I have started this diagram with this circle's diameter as dia 38. So I'm going to switch over this plane and go for extrude. Go for reference, take this circle as reference and draw a circle connecting up to that reference and click OK, and flip the direction, switch off this remove material and change to 50. And click OK. So it's all done. Now I'm going to select all this and change to the group icon. So I'm going for this 3D mirror, select this plane and click OK. So my 75% of the profile is over. I'm going to choose this center plane once again. It's not center plane. I'm going to choose this surface and go for extrude. I'm going to draw a profile now. As we started here, this is going to be tangent, and go for reference, take this as reference and draw another circle of same radius and go for line tangent, connect this line and this circle, go for delete segment. So delete all unwanted lines. Now so just extrude it for, here you can see from center plane it is 25, so I'm going to put here 25 and change the reference once again. So just go to this extrude 4, right click, change this chain reference, and now I'm going to click on this center plane and go for one small preview so that it gets attached to the plane that I have selected, and click OK. Now I'm going to make this as 3D mirror and select the center plane, click OK. So it's all ready. Now select that either side of the profile, go for extrude. Now draw another circle. Just before go and text that reference, and I'm going to draw this circle here you can find that it is extruded. I mean, from here it is extruded up to 50. Yes, so this is of 25, so this is of 35. So this is extruded up to 35. Okay, now I mean, I'm going to draw the final circle. You can find here one small circle and its length is actually 37. So I'm going to touch this plane and go for extrude and take this circle as a reference and draw a circle of dia 10. Change this to symmetry and here 57. It should come here. So my reference is wrong, so just click OK. Now I'm going to select this, go for chain and select this reference and preview, so you can see the complete material here. And now we can go to this profile reference and change this to blind, and then options you can find here. From here it is actually overall it's going to be 50 and excess is 7, so this extra piece is going to be 3.5 mm, 3.5 mm. So from here I'm going to put here 3.5, and other side select in options side to choose blind, and from here I'm going to choose 57 minus 3.5. So my part is ready. Now click OK. Now there are only little final touches. You can find here one glass has been fitted and it's of dia 60 and 6 mm it is removed material. So go for reference, take this reference and draw a circle, change this to 60 and it is extruded for 6 mm the removed material. Now I'm going for mirror, so select this plane and click OK, and here as well they have given as 32, again 6 mm, so just go for extrude option, go for reference, change this to 32, here this is going to be 6 and invert. Again just go for 3D mirror and just mirror it. So my part is ready. Now I'm going to give a variant colorings and go here, change this to glass, and I'm going for tinted glass. Select this, change here to surface or intent surface, so that go here, change the appearances. So I'm going to decrease the transparency so that only very little is available, yes, and decrease the glossiness fraction. Now I'm going for frost it. Choose this blue glass color and change to intent surface once again and click this glass and this glass. Now it's not visible, again go for edit references, decrease the small transparency so that it is slightly visible. Okay, close it. Now again I'm going for this plastics. I'm going for matte, choose this black color and intent surface. select as many surface that you can make now. Okay, now again I'm going to select this ash color and go for intent surface. Using this color. So it's easy for creating part, but aesthetic view creation is, has some I mean, you have to have the taste of making the part looking very good. So my part is ready. So thanks for watching my video. So please do subscribe my channel and watch all the videos. I'll be teaching you complex and simple videos related to this PTC, Creo, SolidWorks and AutoCAD, and it is looking cool. And thank you for watching once again.